Here we go, day 1, December 28th, weigh-in. Starting weigh-in is 195.8, so that is a 7-pound gain from going off keto 3 months ago. For my macros tracker app, this is the one that I use, the fresh bit here. So today's breakfast was a spinach cheese omelet with 2 slices of bacon and Gatorade Zero Orange instead of orange juice. For lunch, buffalo chicken tortilla, and I'm only eating half of it with some cucumber slices and ranch. And the reason I'm only eating half is because I had more like a brunch for breakfast. To make the buffalo chicken tortilla, and I make it quesadilla style where I fold it in half, you're just going to need your 1 tortilla, pulled chicken, and I buy it already cooked, already pulled. I'm going to use 1/4 pound, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to spread it on the tortilla on just half of it. And then on top of the chicken, I'm going to add a little bit of ranch, a tablespoon. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Texas Pete wing sauce. And then I will add 1/8 to 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. And you can use a different kind of cheese, mozzarella, if you would like. I'll fold it in half, place it in the air fryer. These are perfect to make for lunch in advance. I'm going to place it in the air fryer, cook it around 390, 400 for 5 minutes. And it'll make it real crispy, kind of like a taco shell. Not quite that crispy. And then I'll eat the other half for dinner with a garden side salad, just lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and ranch. And then sugar-free Jell-O. And then for dinner, 2 slices of bacon and just a cheese omelet. And so for the macros, let's look at how we did on the macros. On the left side, you'll see the actual results. I have set it up as a custom breakdown to be 1,600 calories. Protein would be 24%, fat 70%, and net carbs I have for 25 grams. However, that's total. I'm going to try to stick around total or around 20 net carbs. You just couldn't break that down on the custom. So that gives me 6% for my carbs, total carbs, not net carbs. And you can see how today's items were broken down. Around 1,445 calories, 20% protein, which is pretty good. It's off about 4%. So I'll try to eat more protein tomorrow. Fat, 71%, pretty close. And then net carbs, 5%. So pretty close. For the first several days, I tend to get constipated when starting keto. So I want to make sure I get a lot of fiber. And that's why I'm eating those Olay tortillas. They have 11 grams of fiber. It's mostly from flaxseed. So you'll see that I will be eating spinach and a lot of fibrous things the first several days of getting back into ketosis. So that's today's macro breakdown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tomorrow I will show you Tuesday's food report.